According to information available from state police sources and the Intelligence Bureau, a bomb/explosive blast occurred at the German bakery in Pune district around 7:30 p.m. this evening. It appears that an unattended package was noticed in the German bakery by one of the waiters, who apparently went and attempted to open the package when the blast took place. As per latest available reports, 8 people are reported dead and 32 injured in the blast. The state police, the Maharashtra Anti-Terrorism Squad and forensic experts from the state government have already reached the scene and are conducting investigations. A team of forensic specialists from the CBI are being airlifted from Delhi to Pune shortly to assist the state police in their investigations. It may be noted that the Osho Ashram, which is around 200 yards from the bakery, was one of the sites surveyed by the Lashkar-e-Toiba operative David Hadley. The Maharashtra police had been alerted by MAC about this on 12th October 2010. Following this blast, the Maharashtra police have issued advisory in the state of Maharashtra. The Ministry of Home Affairs have issued advisories to all state governments to be on high alert, and have also warned all citizens not to approach or open any unattended or unidentified baggage, but to report all such cases to the nearest police station control room. The Union Home Minister is closely monitoring the situation from Tamil Nadu, and the position is being reviewed continuously.
So the fact you're talking about David Coleman Hadley, so there is a Lashkar hand that you are looking at, and are you linking it with the talks, the foreign secretary level talks with Pakistan? Are you finding a link there as well?
I am not. The forensic investigations are just begun. Till the forensic investigations are completed, we will not know as to who is. I only mentioned that because an advisory had been issued to the Maharashtra government and the Commissioner of Police Pune about the survey of the sites in Pune, which is close to this, which is why I mentioned this.
सर कुछ दिनों पहले डेविड कोलमैन हेडली पे गया था ओशो आश्रम में, क्या आपको लगता है कि कुछ भी लिंक हो सकता है इससे? कोई प्राइमरी इनपुट?
यही तो मैं बोला था कि इसका फॉरेंसिक इन्वेस्टिगेशन अभी चालू है. जब फॉरेंसिक इन्वेस्टिगेशन कंप्लीट होंगे तो हमें पता लगेगा. It is too early. The investigations have just begun. As of now, we have confirmed 1 foreigner dead, 1 foreigner injured, and the rest, the nationality is not yet determined. The rest are believed to be Indians, but the figure may change because it is just too close to ascertain the identity of all. But from the Maharashtra government, we have that 1 foreigner is dead and 1 foreigner is injured. Last question.
Why Osho Ashram? Why German bakeries? Why these places?
All will be done after the investigation is complete. Thank you.
Tuba.com